नमस्ते। दीपावली एवं नव वर्ष की शुभकामनाओं के साथ साथ आज हम दीपावली का त्यौहार मनाने जा रहे हैं। दीपों का खास पर्व होने के कारण इसे दीपावली या दिवाली नाम दिया गया है। दीपावली का मतलब होता है दीपों की पंक्ति। दिवाली भारत का सबसे लोकप्रिय और सबसे बड़ा त्यौहार है। यह त्यौहार हम भगवान श्री राम की याद में मनाते हैं, जो 14 वर्ष के वनवास के बाद अयोध्या लौटे थे। इस शुभ अवसर पर हिंदू तरह तरह के दीप जलाते हैं और अपने घरों को रंगोलियों से सजाते हैं। आज के शुभ दिन की शुरुआत हम प्रभु के चरणों में प्रार्थना करते हुए करेंगे। प्रार्थना नृत्य के लिए मेरे उच्च विद्यालय के विद्यार्थी मंच पर मौजूद हैं। धन्यवाद मित्रों। अब मैं अपनी पाठशाला के आचार्य फादर बिनोय जॉर्ज को आमंत्रित करता हूँ कि वे आएं और अपने आशीष वचनों की वर्षा करें।
Respected parents, teachers and my dear students, at the very outset, let me wish you all a very happy Diwali and prosperous New Year. Diwali is the festival of lights, and what better way to celebrate it than with our wonderful students who bring light to our lives even in the darkest of times. Every ritual of the Diwali festival has its own significance and a story behind them. The most popular legend associated with Diwali is a return of Lord Ram to Ayodhya following his 14 years of exile and after defeating the demon king Ravan. The lights of Diwali signify a time to eradicate all our dark desires, thoughts, shadows, and all that limit us from exercising our good will. We know that even the smallest light brightens up a room full of darkness. Don't let anything or anyone dim the light that is within you, but kindle it evermore. Let this Diwali help us to illumine our inner self with a pure light, and that let it flow out from us as we get connected with the people from every nook and corner of the country, irrespective of religion and caste. I would like to thank you, dear students, for your enthusiastic participation and determination to give your best at all the events organized by the school. Thank you, teachers, for your constant accompaniment and timely guidance that you offer to all our students in their growth process. I would like to place on record my sincere gratitude to all our parents for being good educators at home and your wholehearted cooperation in the educative process that we undertake at St. Mary's. Once again, warm festal wishes to all of you. Let us celebrate new beginnings. Let us celebrate the victory of light over darkness. Wish you all happy Diwali. May God bless you.
धन्यवाद फादर। हिंदू धर्म में रामायण को एक महत्वपूर्ण स्थान दिया गया है, जिसमें हमें रिश्तों के कर्तव्यों के बारे में समझाया गया है। तो आइए इस शुभ अवसर पर रामायण की कहानी को कक्षा 6 के विद्यार्थियों द्वारा नाटक के रूप में समझते हैं।
मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी,
दीख मंथरा नगरु बनावा, मंजुल मंगल बाज बधावा, पूछे सी लोहन काह उछाहू, पूछे सी लोहन काह उछाहू, राम तिलकु सुनिभा उर्दाऊ।
The palace was being decorated with lights and festoons. Mantra was curious to know the reason for it. She inquired, found out the cause of the celebrations. She became angry, bit her lips, and muttered, "I will stop it! Yes, I will!" Mantra hurried to KK's chamber and shouted at her mistress, who was resting. Is this the time to sleep? Wake up! Wake up! Wake up before you are ruined!
Mantra, are you not well?
Do you know that beauty and youth are your only source of strength? And you owe your position as the queen of the world conqueror to your beauty. Soon you will be at other people's mercy. Doom hangs over your head.
Can you tell me clearly?
Don't waste your youth and beauty, which hold your husband in a spell. Before that's lost, get your husband to help you and save yourself. Get up and act before it's too late. The king has cheated you. Tomorrow, he is crowning Ram as the king of Ayodhya.
Oh, really? Wonderful! Here is your reward for the good news you shared.
I said, Ram is becoming the king of Ayodhya, and you behave as if I took the name of your son Bharat.
They are both same to me, Ram and Bharat, my beloved sons.
You will have to save yourself before it's too late. Ram should not be enthroned tomorrow.
Why not? The king may have his own reasons, and I see no difference between Ram and Bharat.
Tomorrow, Ram's only aim will be to stay long and strong in his seat. And to achieve it, he will remove all hurdles. The chief hurdle will be Bharat, who may assert his claim any time. Ram will banish him or behead him. You will no longer be a queen, but will probably be reduced to the status of being the handmaid of the Queen Mother Kaushalya.
Never! How would she dare?
Thus, Manthra sowed the seeds of jealousy into Kaikeyi's mind. Do you remember that Dashrath was saved by you earlier, and there are 2 promises of his to be fulfilled? Firstly, demand the banishment of Ram to the forest for 14 years, and secondly, the crowning of Bharat in his place immediately. Kaikeyi was a good person, and she loved Ram more than her own son Bharat. As she heard the bad advice from Manthra, her mind got poisoned. This instance from Ramayana teaches us to be cautious of bad company. One should be never under control of wicked minds and never listen to jealous people.
राम चलत अति भय उबिषादु, सुनि ना जाय पुर आरत नादु, कुसुगुन लंक अवध अति शोकु, हर्ष विषाद विबस सुरलोकु.
Dashrath decided to give Kaikeyi what she wanted, as he had promised her. The faithful wife Sita and the loving brother Lakshman accompany Ram.
Oh dear son, please don't go away. I will take back my words.
How can you take back your words, being a Suryavanshi?
No, father. It has always been the rule in the Surya clan that the promises must be fulfilled even if they are fulfilled at the cost of life.
Dashrath, Kaikeyi, Kaushalya and Janak bid adieu to Ram, Sita and Lakshman. Kaushalya is in tears. Please take care of yourselves, my dear children.
We shall, dear mother. Please don't cry.
Oh Sita, I will miss you, my daughter. Do take care. I will miss you too, father.
Sita, Lakshman, we must go now.
Yes, brother, as you say. Ram, Sita and Lakshman continue their journey. They crossed the river Ganga, going deeper into the forest until they came to the hermitage of Valmiki.
Ram's sacrifice in accepting exile to honor his father's words shows deep love and devotion to parents. He listened to every command of his parents and never went against his parents' wishes. This incident also teaches mankind to understand the value of commitment towards a promise.
सिंधु वचन सुनी राम सचिव बोली, प्रभु अस कहेऊ, अब बिलम्बु के ही काम करहु, सेतु उतरे कटकू.
Lord Ram and his army of monkeys were preparing for war with Ravan. Lord Ram asked his army to build the bridge over the sea. Work began at once on a stone bridge. The monkeys pulled out rocks and heavy stones from the mountains and carried them to the sea. Thousands of monkeys worked day and night.
They are working so hard. Their love for me makes them work like this.
Lord Ram saw a small brown squirrel. He was going up and down the seashore with little pebbles in his mouth. The little squirrel could carry only a few pebbles at a time in his small mouth. A monkey was carrying a large heavy stone on his back and the squirrel came in his way. The monkey jumped back. in my way. I could have killed you by now. I nearly fell. What are you doing here?
I am sorry you nearly fell, Brother Monkey. But please always look where you are going. I'm helping Lord Ram build the bridge, and I want to work hard for him.
You what? Did you hear that the squirrel is building a bridge with his pebbles? Oh dear, I have never heard a funny story like this.
The other monkeys also started laughing.
Look, I can't carry mountains or rocks. God gave me only a little strength. I can only carry pebbles. My heart cries out for Lord Ram, and I'll do all I can for him.
Do you think you can help Lord Ram? Do you think we can build a bridge with pebbles? He has a big army to help him. Go home and don't get in our way.
But I want to help too.
He carried the pebbles again from the shore to the sea. The monkeys were angry, and one of them picked up the squirrel by his tail and threw him far away.
Lord Ram, please help me!
The squirrel, crying out the name of Lord Ram, fell onto his hands. Then Ram held the squirrel close to him.
Do not make fun of the weak and the small. Your strength or what you do is not important. What matters is your love. This little squirrel has love in his heart. Oh monkeys, you are brave and strong and are doing a wonderful job bringing all these huge boulders and stones. But tiny pebbles and stones brought by the smaller creatures are filling the small gaps left between the huge stones. And do you not realize that the tiny grains of sand brought by this squirrel are the ones which bind the whole structure and make it strong?
Hearing this, the monkeys were ashamed and bowed down their heads.
Always remember, however small, every task is equally important. My dear squirrel, I am sorry for the hurt caused to you by my army, and thank you for the help you have rendered to me. Please go and continue your work happily.
Lord Ram gently stroked the back of the squirrel with his fingers, and 3 white stripes appeared where the Lord's fingers had touched it. Ram held the squirrel closer to him and said,
Little one, your love touches my heart.
No task and service is unimportant. We should be grateful for large and small acts of kindness that grace our life. We should remember that no efforts are small.
When Ravan was attacked by Lord Ram, after airing fatal arrow on the battlefield of Lanka, Lord Ram told his brother Lakshman,
Brother, go to Ravan quickly before he dies and request him to share his knowledge. He may be an evil, but he is also a great scholar.
Lakshman rushed across the battlefield to Ravan and whispered in his ears,
O Demon King, do not let your knowledge die with you. Share it with us and wash away your sins. Brother, he is arrogant as he always was, too proud to share anything. Where did you sit while asking Ravan for knowledge? Next to his head, so that I could hear what he had to say clearly. Brother, you are approaching Ravan for knowledge. Then you must respect him and sit at his feet, because teachers must be respected.
Lakshman went to Ravan and this time he stood near his feet. Ravan, seeing Lakshman, standing near his feet, said,
I have very little time, so I cannot share much. But let me tell you important lessons I have learned in my life. Firstly, one should not delay in doing good deeds, and on the other hand, avoid the bad deeds. I did not recognize Lord Ram and delayed the chances of achieving moksha. Secondly, never underestimate the strength of your enemy. I underestimated the humans and the monkeys, whom I considered lesser in strength than an asur. And lastly, never reveal your secrets to anyone. I made a mistake of telling my life's secrets to Vibhishan, which ultimately backfired. This is wisdom of my life, my last words.
Ravan is widely considered to be a symbol of evil, but he also had many qualities that made him a learned scholar. He was well versed in 6 Shastras and the 4 Vedas. We should always remember that the challenges that come into our life, they are just temporary, and never forget that every bad situation teaches you a valuable lesson in life.
धन्यवाद मित्रों। पाठशाला के नन्हे नन्हे एवं जगमगाते दीपक हमें दीपावली का संदेश देने के लिए थिरक रहे हैं। तो आइए इनसे सुनते हैं दिवाली गीत।
This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Light that shines is a light of love, hides the darkness from above. Shines on me and shines on you, shows what the power of love can do. Shine my light both bright and clear, shine my light both far and near. In every dark corner that I find, gonna let my little light shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Monday gave me the gift of love. Tuesday peace came from above. Wednesday he told me to have more faith. Thursday he gave me a little more grace. Friday he told me to watch and pray. Saturday he told me just what to say. Sunday he gave me the power divine to let my little light shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine.
बहुत खूब मित्रों। अब हम नयन सर से नम्र निवेदन करते हैं कि वे दीपावली एवं नव वर्ष के अवसर पर हमें दीपावली का संदेश दें।
Respected parents and my dear students, today I take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy Diwali and a prosperous New Year. Diwali symbolizes the spiritual victory of light over darkness, good over bad, and knowledge over ignorance. આ તહેવારની ઉજવણીના દરેક લોકો પાસે કોઈ અલગ અને ખાસ કારણ છે, પરંતુ મોટાભાગના લોકો તેને રામ, સીતા અને લક્ષ્મણના 14 વર્ષના વનવાસ પૂરો કરી અને રાવણ સાથે લડાઈમાં જીતી અને અયોધ્યા પાછા ફરતા હોય ત્યારે તેમની ઉજવણીનો પ્રસંગ ગણાય છે. અયોધ્યામાં તેમનું જે સ્વાગત થાય છે તેને આપણે દિવાળી તરીકે ઉજવીએ છીએ અને આથી જ તેને અંધકાર પર પ્રકાશના, અનિષ્ટ પર સારાના અને અજ્ઞાન પર જ્ઞાનના જીતનો તહેવાર કહે છે. This year, let us celebrate Diwali as a victory of our good health over COVID-19, and let us try to learn the motto of Diwali in its true spirit by practicing few very important things in our daily life. સૌથી પ્રથમ આપણા ઘરની સફાઈની સાથે સાથે આપણા દિલમાં અન્ય માટે રહેલી નફરતને પણ આપણે સાફ કરીએ. બીજી મહત્વની વસ્તુ, આપણા ઘરમાં લક્ષ્મીની સાથે આપણા સ્નેહી અને સ્વજનોને પણ આપણે ખરા હૃદયથી આવકારીએ. ત્રીજો મુદ્દો, મીઠાઈ તો ઘરમાં બનાવીએ જ, પણ સાથે મીઠાઈ બનાવી અને સાથે દરેક લોકો સાથે મીઠાશપૂર્ણ વ્યવહાર કરીએ. વ્યક્તિને તેના હોદ્દા કે તેની સંપત્તિથી નહીં પણ તેના ગુણથી મૂલવીએ. ચોથી વસ્તુ, શરીરનો મેલ સાફ કરીએ, સાથે સાથે આપણા મનમાં રહેલો કોઈ પણ વિષયનો મેલ પણ સાફ કરી નાખીએ. અને અંતિમ પાંચમી વસ્તુ, ઘરમાં રોશની કરવાની સાથે સાથે તન, મન અને ધનથી જરૂરિયાતમંદ લોકોના જીવનમાં પણ આનંદ અને રોશની પ્રગટાવીએ. As a teacher and parents, let us not compare our child with anybody else, knowing that every child is unique and they have got some talent, hidden talent, and let us try to bring those talents out from them and nurture them. As a student, make sure that you put your 100% dedication to achieve your goal and working hard to make your teachers, parents and country proud. Let us practice all this in coming year and together create a better and bright future for our kids. This would be the right way to celebrate Diwali this year. Once again, wishing you all Shubh Deepavali and Arogyaprad Nutan Varsh. Jai Hind.
आभार सर. दीपावली जैसा खास पर्व हो और उसमें उत्सव नृत्य ना हो, ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. तो हमारी हाई स्कूल की छात्राएं नृत्य पेश करने जा रही हैं.
और चारू मेर हुई मिलाट ते आया मारा पावना के स्वागत करावे उपजी फुलवारी रे, साजे गाजे बाजे गूंजे सपनोरी ये किलकारी रे. वन उपवन अभिनंदन करता छाई धगा परियारी रे. शक्कर भांको झांकी झांको हुई जश्न की ये तैयारी रे. मन हर जाओ धन बरसाओ धन सुखवाड़ो जी रे.
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे.
Neo
धन्यवाद। दीपावली एक बहुत ही प्रकाश्य पर्व है जो अपने साथ साथ बहुत सारी खुशियों को भी ले आता है। इसी बात पर सुनते हैं कक्षा 5 के विद्यार्थियों का मधुर गान। धन्यवाद मित्रों, आप सभी को सेंट मेरीज परिवार की तरफ से नव वर्ष की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं और शुभ दीपावली।
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो